In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the post comment button on the blog post pages in Shopify Dawn theme. For this example, let's change the color of button text to red and the background color to blue. As always, log into your Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for Dawn theme and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the top click on drop-down menu, then select Blog Post, Default Blog Post, then on the left under Template, click on Blog Post section, and then expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS already here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the button. Let me right-click on it, then select Inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll select the class under name button, which is also nested within the comment-form class container. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor, type period, comment-form, space, period, button, open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Then go back to the editor and paste it right here. And don't forget to add the semicolon at the end. Now let's take a look in the preview. As you can see, the button text is now in red. Now let's change the background color to blue. Once again, place the cursor after the semicolon, then press enter. On the next line, type background-color, colon, then go to Google once again. Let's pick this one. Once again, copy the hex code. Then go back to the editor and paste it right here. And just like before, don't forget to add the semicolon at the end. Once you've added this rule, don't forget to click on Save. Then let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing one of the blog post pages. Let's scroll all the way to the bottom, and as you can see, the button color was successfully updated under the comment form. And this change will be reflected on the other blog post pages. Let's take a look at that blog post. Let's open this one. Yes, you can see here's the change. As always, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.